SDOCebuCity Schools DRRM, protecting our future. 60% of schools impacted by natural disasters annually. With disasters affecting 60% of schools each year, strong school DRRM is essential to protect campuses, care for students, teachers, and staff, and maintain education. Disaster preparedness in Cebu City schools is crucial to protect students, teachers, and staff, minimize disruptions, and ensure a swift recovery. Effective strategies create a safer learning environment for all. The 3 pillars of education DRRM. Safe learning facilities are crucial for ensuring structural safety and resilience in schools, protecting students from potential hazards during disasters. Effective school disaster management involves emergency plans and training for staff, teachers, students, and the community to ensure quick and organized responses during emergencies. Integrating risk reduction into education fosters awareness and preparedness among students, empowering them with the skills necessary to face disaster challenges confidently. Legal basis. Republic Act 10121, enacted in 2010, established the framework for disaster risk reduction and management in the Philippines, emphasizing the importance of education and community involvement. DepEd Order No. 32, released in 2015, mandated the integration of disaster risk reduction in the education sector, promoting safety measures and preparations in schools nationwide. DRRM Act. The Disaster Risk Reduction and Management (DRRM) Act, passed in 2010, provides comprehensive guidelines for stakeholders in education to develop and implement DRRM plans and policies effectively. Compliance of SDOCebuCity for educational institutions. Institutionalize DRRM councils effectively. Develop comprehensive preparedness plans. Ensure accurate reporting of compliance. Engage in regular training activities. The 4 thematic areas of DRRM. Prevention and mitigation. Structural resilience. Investing in strong infrastructure helps schools withstand disasters and protect students and staff. Community awareness. Engaging the community fosters awareness and preparedness for potential hazards facing schools. Emergency planning. Comprehensive planning equips schools to respond effectively during emergencies and minimize risks. Preparedness. Emergency drills. Emergency drills prepare students and staff to respond effectively during unexpected situations. Training sessions. Regular training sessions ensure all staff are equipped with the skills needed for emergencies. Resource availability. Having readily available resources supports quick and efficient responses during emergencies. Response strategies. Evacuation plans. Clear evacuation plans ensure safety and quick action during emergencies, minimizing risk to students. Communication systems. Effective communication systems facilitate quick dissemination of information, ensuring students receive timely updates. Emergency drills. Regular emergency drills promote preparedness and confidence, equipping students for real-life situations. Rehabilitation and recovery. Community resilience. Community involvement is vital for effective recovery efforts post-disaster, fostering resilience and unity. Sustainable practices. Sustainable rebuilding practices ensure environments are safe and prepared for future challenges and disasters. Emotional support. Providing emotional and psychological support is essential for healing and resilience during recovery phases. Learning continuity. SDOCebuCity ensures education persists despite disasters. Alternative learning. During emergencies, schools should implement remote, modular, and blended learning options, allowing students to continue their education despite disruptions to traditional classroom settings. Safe environments. Creating safe school environments and providing psychosocial support are essential for helping students cope with the stress of emergencies and ensuring their emotional well-being. Learning continuity strategies. SDOCebuCity schools implement alternative delivery modes to ensure students continue learning during emergencies, utilizing online platforms, blended learning, and radio broadcasts to reach all learners effectively. Psychosocial support. Providing psychosocial support is crucial for helping students cope with trauma during crises. Schools can offer counseling services and workshops to nurture emotional well-being and resilience. Community engagement. Community engagement fosters collaboration among stakeholders, ensuring a unified response to educational challenges. Involving parents and local organizations strengthens resource sharing and community resilience during emergencies. Summarizing the importance of DRRM. School DRRM is essential for ensuring safe learning environments, supporting students, teachers, and staff, and fostering resilience. Commitment to these principles enhances educational continuity amid disasters. Strengthening DRRM. Together for a safer future.
The Earthquake Super Squad. Did you know the Earth can shake like a giant jelly? Earthquakes are serious, but with fun drills and learning, we can keep our school safe and sound. Earth's surface is made up of large tectonic plates that move slowly. When these plates shift, they cause earthquakes. Understanding this movement helps us prepare better in schools. SDOCebuCity schools need to be ready for earthquakes to protect students, teachers, and staff. Practicing safety drills helps everyone know what to do when the ground starts to tremble. Earthquakes can shake buildings and cause structural damage. Even small quakes can lead to falling objects, which can be dangerous in a school environment for everyone inside. During an earthquake, students, teachers, and staff must stay calm and follow safety procedures. Shaking can lead to injuries, so it's essential to know how to protect oneself. Schools must be prepared for earthquakes to ensure everyone's safety. Regular drills help students, teachers, and staff learn how to respond quickly and effectively when a quake occurs. Understanding local earthquake risks helps schools prepare. This map shows areas in Cebu more likely to experience seismic activity, emphasizing the need for awareness and readiness in our school community. To stay safe during an earthquake, remember to drop to your hands and knees, cover your head and neck, and hold on to a sturdy object until the shaking stops. Identify safe spots in your classroom, like under desks or against interior walls. These areas keep you protected from falling objects and help you stay safe during an earthquake. Never run outside or stand in doorways during a quake. These actions can be dangerous. Instead, stay put and follow safety procedures to ensure everyone's protection. Roles of teachers, students, and staff during drills. Teachers guide students during drills safely. Students practice safety techniques with peers. Staff ensure safety and clear communication. The community supports preparedness and practice. Students, teachers, and staff will follow designated evacuation routes clearly marked on the school map. Ensure everyone understands their specific path to safety during an earthquake. Once evacuated, students will gather at predetermined assembly points outside the building. This ensures that everyone remains safe and accounted for during emergency situations. Communication protocols involve the use of walkie-talkies and emergency contact numbers. Staff will share updates and information with students and families to ensure a swift response. Emergency kit essentials. Always have enough water to keep everyone hydrated during emergencies. Keep some snacks on hand to provide energy and comfort during emergencies. A reliable flashlight helps illuminate dark areas if the power goes out. It's vital to share knowledge about earthquake preparedness with friends and family. Discussing safety plans at home helps ensure everyone knows what to do during an earthquake and feel more confident. In conclusion, preparedness is essential for everyone. Here's how you can help. Take drills seriously. Practice makes perfect. Talk about earthquake safety with your family and friends. Create your own emergency kit at home. Share what you've learned with classmates and teachers. Together, we can ensure a safer environment in our schools and communities. Remember, being prepared means being a hero during an earthquake. Thank you for your attention, and let's all commit to being earthquake safety heroes at school and at home. Be an SDOCebuCity earthquake safety hero.
Typhoons in the Philippines. Typhoons are strong storms originating from warm ocean waters. The Philippines experiences an average of 20 typhoons each year. Peak months for typhoons are typically from July to October. Typhoons can cause school closures and disrupted classes. Local communities must prepare for evacuations and safety measures. How typhoons disrupt our schools in Cebu City. Typhoons often lead to school closures, damaged classrooms, and disrupted learning, highlighting the need for effective safety measures and community support during these challenging times. Emotional and psychological impact of typhoons. School closures. Typhoons often lead to unexpected school shutdowns. Emotional strain. Students face anxiety and fear during typhoons. What should you do when a typhoon hits? Stay, evacuate, ignore, or panic. Key safety protocols. Evacuation plans. Evacuation plans help ensure everyone knows the fastest routes to safety during emergencies. Emergency kits. Emergency kits provide necessary supplies to students, teachers, and staff, ensuring safety during typhoons. Early warning systems. Early warning systems keep everyone updated on weather changes, allowing for timely responses. Drills. Cebu City conducts regular safety drills to ensure students, teachers, and staff are prepared for emergencies, fostering confidence and clarity in response actions during typhoons. Communication. Effective communication between schools, parents, and local authorities keeps everyone informed about safety measures and updates, enhancing community resilience and support during typhoons. School Preparedness Checklist. Number 1. Emergency kits. Ensure kits contain food, water, and supplies. Number 2. Communication plans. Establish clear contacts for emergencies and updates. Number 3. Safety drills. Conduct regular drills to practice safety protocols. Number 4. Infrastructure assessment. Check buildings for vulnerabilities and necessary repairs. Simple steps for typhoon safety. Before the storm, charge your phone, pack a small go bag, water, snacks, meds, flashlight, and save emergency contacts. During the storm, stay indoors, keep away from windows, move to a safer room, and listen for official updates. After the storm, avoid flooded areas and downed wires, check on classmates, and report damage to a trusted adult. Tips for teachers. Number 1. Remote options. Implementing virtual classrooms allows teachers to continue lessons even during typhoons, ensuring students remain engaged and learning while staying safe at home during severe weather events. Number 2. Emotional support. Providing a supportive environment for students during typhoon disruptions helps them cope with stress, encouraging open communication and fostering resilience among classmates and educators alike. Be an Cebu City Typhoon Safety Champion. Join the movement. Encourage your school community to prioritize typhoon preparedness, share knowledge, and support each other, ensuring safety and continuity in education for everyone during challenging times. Stay informed and prepared.
Flooding and school safety. Flooding occurs when water overflows onto land, impacting schools, classrooms, and playgrounds, disrupting daily activities and education, and creating unsafe environments for students, teachers, and staff. It's crucial to understand flooding's impact on school safety and continuity, ensuring effective preparedness and response strategies to protect students, teachers, staff, and educational resources. Flooding impacts at Cebu City. Schools close temporarily for safety. Buildings suffer structural damage effects. Learning is interrupted for students. Increased anxiety affects students, teachers, and staff. Safety risks. Slips. Wet floors can cause falls. Electrical hazards from damaged wiring exist. Contamination. Floodwater can carry harmful substances. Psychological anxiety may increase after flooding. Preventive measures. Structural, flood barriers and drainage improvements. Emergency, evacuation routes and communication plans. Educational, teach students about flood safety. Community, partnerships with local authorities involved. Identify key measures keeping schools safe. Let's keep Cebu City schools safe.
A playful introduction to fire safety. Fire safety fun. Understanding the fire triangle. Heat is the energy needed to start fire. Fuel is any material that burns to produce fire. Oxygen, a gas that supports combustion, which is typically supplied from the air. Common fire hazards. Electrical faults can cause sparks and fires quickly. Kitchen accidents. Unattended cooking can lead to flames. Careless behavior. Misusing items like matches or lighters. How fire affects schools in SDOCebuCity. Fires can cause significant disruption in a school environment, leading to cancelled classes, evacuations, and a loss of valuable instructional time for students and teachers alike. Beyond disruption, fires can lead to extensive property damage, destroying classrooms and facilities, which negatively impacts the learning atmosphere and requires costly repairs to restore. Key fire safety rules. No matches. Always keep matches out of reach of children. Electrical safety. Use devices safely to prevent electrical fires. Clear routes. Maintain clear escape routes for emergencies. Practice drills. Regularly participate in fire drills for preparedness. Fire safety gear. Fire safety equipment like alarms, extinguishers, and evacuation plans are crucial for protecting students. Understanding their importance helps create a safe environment in schools and promotes preparedness. Evacuation guide. Step by step. Alert. Sound alarms signal everyone to evacuate now. Stay calm. Take a deep breath, stay together, and listen. Follow the plan. Move quickly to your designated safe area. Exit safely. Check for all students, and exit through doors. Interactive recap. Key takeaways. Fire can be helpful and dangerous. Understanding the fire triangle is essential to know how fires start and spread in different environments, including schools. Fire hazards. Common fire hazards in schools include electrical faults and kitchen accidents. Identifying these risks helps students and staff stay safe and prepared during emergencies. Safety measures. Following fire safety rules and knowing evacuation plans ensure everyone's safety. Regular fire drills help practice swift responses in case of actual emergencies. Don't play with fire, stay safe and inspire.